Live wallpaper not working on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will teach you how to set live wallpaper on iPhone and iPad. Let's get started without wasting any time. Firstly, open the Photos app on your device. On the Photos app, go to your Photos album. Now select the live photo you want to use as live wallpaper. Tap share icon at the bottom left corner. Then swipe down and tap use as wallpaper. Guys, it may take some time to prepare the photos here, so please wait until then. As soon as your photos appears on the screen, you have to turn on live photos at the bottom left of the screen. After that, tap on add at the top right corner of the page. Then tap set as wallpaper pair. Guys, here I want to tell you that whatever image you set should be live image. Some people set simple image due to which live image does not work. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.